Hello everyone, welcome to this HTML tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to insert images into your tables, so stay tuned. Alright, so I have my table here having about 5 rows. The first row is representing the table header, which you can see here. Using the table header tag. Then I have the second row here indicating row 1. I have indicated it here on my text editor. Then row 2, 3 and 4, so altogether we have 5 rows including the header row. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to insert images on some of those cells and also text. Alright, so we'll be starting with the first cell here that's having row 1. Now I would be editing the current caption there. So to bring in an image, you would have to use the tag img src equals to the name of your image, which my first image would be, the name of the image is student, and the file type is JPG, so I'll be including that here. So I have image src here stands for source, so image source equals to student.jpg. Alright, so I'll save that here, or use the shortcut Ctrl S, and over here I'll refresh, and that brings the image inside of my cell. Now, in order to control the size of your picture, you would need to make adjustments by adding another attribute to your image tag indicating the dimension of the picture, so your picture don't occupy too much of space. So I'll be indicating from here the height of my picture. Let's say would be 150, and the width should be also 150. So if I save this and I refresh here, the picture is adjusted to the size that I want. Okay, now so to make the work a bit faster, I'm going to copy this image tag, Ctrl C, and paste it on other rows, row 2, row 3 and row 4. Mind you, each of the columns has been represented with the TD tag, so each TD here represents each column. Just like you can see here, this is column 1, this is column 2, column 3 and column 4. So I'll be moving to row 2, still under column 1, so I'll be pasting that here. So highlight this and paste. So if I'm inserting another image, I'll be putting the name of that image here. So my second image, okay, so also student 2. Then the image type is PNG. That's the type of image I'm using. So I have student 2. Then I will maintain the same size, and the dimension remains the same. So I'll save this and refresh here. Alright, so I have the second image inserted. So I'm going to do that for the other rows. Paste that here, and also do the same thing here. So the next image will be student 3, and this one is student 4. Okay, So when I save that and I refresh here, alright, so the images are in the first column. Okay, so I'll be adding other images to the last column, that's logo here. So I'll be doing that on the last. This is representing the last column, this that's under logo. So my first logo here, I have the name of the image is logo 1. Okay, sorry, I have to insert the image tag first like I did before. So let me just paste. So we're changing the name of the image to logo 1.jpg. Okay, so have that saved, and I'll refresh here. Okay, so maintain the same size. So I'll do the same thing. So I'll just copy what I have here. Sorry, just copy this and paste here. Okay, so that will be logo 2. Then here also the same thing, paste, that will be logo 3. Okay, so for logo 2, I think my logo 2, the file type is not JPG, it's also PNG. Okay, so I have for the last one, the logo 4. Alright, so I'll save this and refresh here. So I have all pictures here. So okay, I have you can see a tag showing inside the image here, so I'll need to check on my third image, which is here, where I have one of the tags is missing there. That's the okay, so that should fix this error here. So once I save and I refresh here, right, so that is gone. Okay, so now we could just fill in the other parts of the table with just random data on that class. Here I would have just replace this with, let's say, morning class, and come down here, replace this with let's say Python course. Then this one, row 2, replace this with evening class. Then the course, we'll change that to web design. Okay, then for row 3, we'll change this to maybe same morning class again. Then on row 3, the third column, change that to, let's say, Corel Draw. Okay, on the last row, let's use let the class also be evening class. Then we'll change the course, change that to Excel. So Ctrl S to save this, then I refresh here. Alright, so this is how you insert images inside of your table. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.